Be ready, 10 seconds to go. Start. The full form of Niti Aayog is National Institution for Transforming India. It is a public policy think tank of the Government of India. It was established with the aim to achieve sustainable development goals with cooperative federalism by fostering the involvement of state governments of India in the economic policy making process using a bottom up approach. Its initiatives include Amrut Digital India, Atal Innovation Mission, reforms in medical education, agriculture reforms, Agricultural Produce Marketing Committee Act, Agricultural Marketing and Farmer Friendly Reforms Index for ranking states, proper management of education and water, subgroup of Chief Minister on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, subgroup of Chief Ministers on Skill India, lecture series, etc. In 2015, it was established by the NDA government, replace 65 years old Planning Commission of India. The Niti Aayog comprises all the state chief ministers along with the chief ministers of Delhi and Puducherry, lieutenant governors of all union territories, and a vice chairman nominated by the prime minister. In addition, temporary members are selected from leading universities and research institutions. These members include a chief executive officer, 4 ex officio members, and 2 part time members. The Commission carefully plans and structures new policies and then it executes them. The Niti Aayog is a replacement of the 65 years old Planning Commission that supervised the 5-year plans of the country. It makes essential policies for the citizens of India. It also provides the government with the strategies that need to be implemented. The organization also looks into both the domestic as well as the international issues that are of importance. The Prime Minister of India presides over the role of chairperson of Niti Aayog. It provides technical and strategic advice on the critical policy matters that pertain and encompasses economic issues that are of international and national importance. It devises and makes the plans for different fields including health, agriculture, financial resources, industry, science and technology, etc., looks forward to promote healthy competition among the developing states. The Aayog launched various educational programs which resulted into effective manner. Niti Aayog invited experts from various parts of the world to discuss and implement policies through the various programs. One of the aims of Niti Aayog is to develop mechanisms to formulate credible plans at the village level. One district, one product policy is a recent agenda of the Niti Aayog Governing Council. It intends to boost export at the district level. The Commission has decided to plan a study on the selected judgments and verdicts of Supreme Court and National Green Tribunal on the economy of India. It is also planning for the benefit of migrant workers and the same is underway. It has framed a model act on conclusive land titles that it hopes will be adopted and implemented by states. The aim is to facilitate easy access of credit to farmers and reduce a large number of land related litigations and enabling transparent real estate transactions along with land acquisition for infrastructure developments. Recently, the Niti Aayog Vice Chairman had mentioned that the government will introduce the Production Linked Incentive PLI scheme is to provide incentives to the investors in this country. Of India has already introduced the PLI scheme for pharmaceutical, medical devices, mobile phones, and electronic manufacturing companies. It is now considering to extend this to other sectors as well. It is additionally creating itself fully equipped with the essential resources, knowledge, and skill that will empower it to act with speed, advance research and innovation, crucial policy vision to the government, and manage unforeseen issues. The reason for setting up the Niti Aayog is that people had expectations for growth and development through their participation. This required institutional changes and active strategy shifts that could seed and foster substantial changes. It is based on 7 pillars of effective governance, such as pro people to fulfill the aspirations of society as well as individuals, proactivity for anticipation and response to citizen needs. Participation includes involvement of the citizens, empowering especially women in all aspects, inclusion of all people irrespective of caste, creed, and gender, providing equal opportunity to all, especially for youth, transparency by making the government visible and responsive, monitoring and analyzing food and agricultural policies. Program is a collaborative research project between Niti Aayog and Food and Agriculture Organization. It aims to monitor, analyze, and reform food and agriculture policies. The first phase of the MAF-AP program ran from 23rd September to 31st December 2019. National Agriculture Price Policy and National Food Security Policy for selected agricultural products were implemented for the benefit of agriculture community of India. The Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, has, as you will remember, been established in terms of the recommendations of the Council. Its progress has been remarkable. IT has on its rolls today 1090 students, 800 receiving instruction for the first degree and postgraduate course in various branches of engineering and technology. Some aerial also doing advanced work and research. Its board of governors has decided to introduce a number of courses at the postgraduate level, commencing with the July 1955 session. Stop.